Concrete slabs are a popular choice for the foundation of homes and other development projects when compared to other types of foundation, crawl space, basement, and pure foundations. For example, concrete proves to be a superior and more cost-effective material in most cases. So, what is a concrete slab foundation and why is it so advantageous? Most builders favor using concrete slab foundations because they are relatively easy to install and reduce overall construction time. They are virtually maintenance-free and can be designed to suit all soil conditions. The foundations that your house is built on can have a major impact on the structural integrity of your home. A slab foundation is made of concrete that is typically 4 to 6 thick in the center. The concrete slab is often placed on a layer of sand for drainage or to act as a cushion. House built on a slab lack crawl spaces, and there is no space under the floor. If you are considering building or buying a home on a concrete slab, there are a number of benefits and drawbacks that need to be considered. Concrete slab foundations are more common in states with warm climates where the ground is less likely to freeze and cause the foundation to crack. There are good reasons for building or buying a house on a slab, such as cost savings and less risk of damage in certain instances. The disadvantages include that heating and cooling units may have to be installed on the ground floor, which takes up living space. There is also a potential for cracks. Some houses don't have a basement or crawl space under them, but are simply built on a concrete slab, perhaps because the house sits on a bedrock or a high water table. The concrete is poured onto the ground all at one time. Some foundations have post-tension cables or are reinforced with steel nuts called rebar so that the slab can bear the weight of the house. The house is then constructed on top of this concrete foundation. Slab foundations are more common in southern states with warm climates, where the ground is less likely to freeze and cause the foundation to crack. It takes less time for a concrete slab to dry. Less downtime means that construction can move along without delay. There is no need to wait the several days it takes for the concrete in a poured basement to cure and dry. Slab foundations minimize the risk of damage from flooding or the leakaging of gas, such as radon, from a basement or crawl space into the house. A concrete slab can protect a home from termites or other insects, as there are no open spaces underneath the house that provide access to wooden joists or supports insects could chew. Slabs can be also pre-treated with insecticides to be sure they do not nest underneath. Thanks for watching. Until next time.